Okay, so let's search. Okay, as you can see here, obviously it is using the FitPro Support App. Okay, let's just attach this strap properly here. Okay, so let's check. Go to the Google Play Store and download the FitPro app. FitPro. Okay, so we have here the FitPro, very popular application. As you can see here, over 50 million downloads. Just install. Okay, it is a very easy to use application for smartwatches. Okay, usually it uses affordable smartwatches uses the FitPro application. Okay, it is pretty similar to the HRY Find application. Okay, as you can see here, fast downloads, just 27 MB, and we're almost done here. Okay, it's now installing. Okay, let's just wait. Let's have a walkthrough of the FitPro application installation in the Android platform. Okay, let's wait. And we're almost done here. Okay, pass security test. Okay, it's now installed. Let's open the application. Again, this tutorial is for Android platform, but the same procedure I think for the iOS platform or for your iPhone. Okay, so FitPro app. So we have here our first permission. Allow FitPro to access this device location. Just allow it. Then that's it. Okay, I guess we'll have additional permission later on. And as you can see here, okay, the Bluetooth has been activated automatically. Okay, on the bottom part, we have home, set, motion, and mine. Okay, so tap on the set. Okay, bind devices to experience more features. Okay, so tap on it. So let's see. Okay, it's looking for the smartwatch. Let's check. Okay, so we are not really sure about the model of our smartwatch here, although it says Y68 or D20 smartwatch. So let's see. We did not find any Y68 or D20 here. So let's just go to the about section. So we have here the address 000Z1. Okay, I guess this is the 716. Okay, so tap on it. So it's now connecting. Let's wait. The smartphone or the smartwatch will establish connection. It's now trying to connect. Okay, the first one is completed. Bluetooth base, time setting, user profile, and that's it. Okay, synchronize data. So, are we set? Let's check. Okay, so we are connected. Okay, so let's activate the message notification. Let's set. Okay, so we have here permission. This function needs to be used through calling rights. Agree. Okay, allow FitPro to access your contacts. Just allow it. Allow FitPro to make and manage phone calls. Just allow it. And allow FitPro to access your phone call logs. Just allow it. Okay. Agree. Again, allow FitPro to send and view SMS messages. Just allow it. Okay, let's activate Facebook here. Okay. Notification with permission, just look for the FitPro app. Activate, allow, and go back, and it's now permitted to receive notifications. What's up? Okay, so the message push notification has been activated or set. Let's check if we do have an upgrade over the air update. So let's wait. Oh, there's an upgrade. Okay. Before you start the update, make sure the watch battery is full. Confirm. It's trying to scan. Let's see. Okay, let's wait for this. Okay, although there's an update, we cancel the update as it takes time, okay, to download the additional file. Okay, so let's just check on the features available here in the FitPro. So we have the remote shutter, dial settings. Okay, so we have here the watch faces. Okay, what else do we have here? Background setting. Okay, if we want the application to run in the background, we have others here. Let's see. Okay, so what is okay? Vibration settings. This is vibration settings. Okay, mine, user profile, motion, the sports function here, and the home, the overall data here for health and fitness. Okay, so that's it. Okay, very limited functionality for the D20 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, also known as the Y68 Ultra Smartwatch. So I'm going to check on the over-the-air upgrade here. I will try to wait if there's a new feature addition for the Y68 or the D20 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video review, the installation of the support app for the Y68 D20 Ultra Smartwatch, okay, just drop a comment below. Okay, bye.